Hello, my friends. Today, we're going to talk about letter sounds. We're going to be able to look at a letter and then think about the sound that they make and then find a picture that begins with that sound. So let's take a look at a letter. Let's see what letter we're going to get. Boop. What letter is this? It's letter P. Now, what sound does P make? P, p, p. It makes the P sound. Now, let's think of some words that begin with the P sound. Can you think of any? Penguin, princess, paper, picture. So when we see a letter, we can think of the sound and then think of words that also make the beginning sound of this letter. Let's take a look at another letter. What is it gonna be? Let me see. Letter C. What sound does C make? Now, what are some words that start with the K sound? Cat, cake, cookie, carrot. Lots of words can start with this letter sound, the C sound. K, k. Let's take a look at one more. What letter is it gonna be? What is this letter? Letter D. This is letter D. Now, what sound does D make? The D sound. Now, let's think of some words that start with this letter sound, the D sound. Duck, donut, deer, danger. So lots of words can begin with a letter sound. As long as we see the letter and we know the sound that it makes, we can think of words that begin with that same sound. So let me show you what you guys are going to do today. I have a letter and you're gonna need to remember what sound that letter makes. Now this is letter A. What sound does letter A make? Ah, ah, ah. That's right. So now we need to look at the pictures and see which picture begins with the ah sound. We have umbrella, apple, vase. Which picture begins with the ah sound? Apple. That's right. So you're going to move this check mark over to the apple because apple begins with the ah sound. Now, let's say you come to a letter and you forgot what sound that letter makes. That's okay because you can come over to this little sound button and see what sound that letter makes. So let's listen to the ah sound.
Which picture begins with the ah sound? Use your finger or mouse to move the check mark to the matching picture.
So if you ever forget a sound that a letter makes, just click on the little speaker button and it will remind you what sound the letter makes. Now you guys are going to do letters A through O, and then tomorrow we'll finish the rest of the letters P through Z. So that way we can get through all the letters to make sure that we know all of our letter sounds. So I'm going to move my check mark back to where it was, and you guys will be doing the rest of these letters. All right, my friends, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.